What's up? It's Goggles. Little bit of an update on what's going on. So my J Aerial goggles are not they're not recording DVR. So next time I go to fly FPV, I'll go take my old goggles and slap an SD card in there and just do DVR that way. But yeah, so here's the new lights on the 5-inch that I'm rocking, and then we've got a functional 4-inch. It's like the Recon or Recon, whatever. It's just an Amazon offshoot of it, and then we've got this 2.5-inch Cinewhoop with a Speedy B V4 stack in it. Yeah, so, oh, one more thing. I have a Speedy B F405 wing flight controller for this big boy. Yeah, so I've been dealing with driver issues on this one. And it's just a matter of getting the right drivers, and once it gets going, then we'll have this thing going. So yeah, let's go watch some more of this boring ass sunset. This one's actually pretty nice though. I gotta admit, this one was kind of nice. But all right, let's go watch this dumb shit. Alright, thanks for hanging out, making it this far. Shout out to Joe Fotolio, or Joe Fotolio, Will C FPV, Bartman Dude, Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Blunty, Joshua Bardwell, XJet, XJet's other channel, RC Model Reviews, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman, Shaky FPV, Zoe FPV, and Granny FPV. And last but not least, Frankie Day Models. Dude looks exactly like me, just like old, and he's really cool, and he puts like ship models together and stuff. He's interesting dude to watch online, and it's kind of like getting to hang out with him. But yeah, he just builds like little ships and models and all kinds of stuff, and he just got locked out of his old channel, had to make a new one, and so yeah, he's got like trouble getting subscribers over there. So if you want to see me in the future with like gray hair, go over to Frankie Day Models, because it's pretty funny. It's pretty cool. But all right, man, I'm gonna shut up. Thanks for hanging out and watching my little sunset videos. This is what I got for right now. Anyways, later.